Okay, this is now the final game for the days. Para sa araw po nito, maraming salamat po. Ito po ang liga naman lumilipat A, Base of Double sa Flying League. Teka lang, mag-queue muna po tayo. Hinga tayo doon, sige, hinga tayo doon. Next, good game. Okay. This is your A, Base of Double sa Flying League po. Ito po ang ating pong sponsors. Sa Dinilsen, LBC, ang padala. Sa po natin po dyan ang SBB Ara and Facebook Basketball League. And these are participating teams for Cable Line Hub. Nandito po ang Oryx Basketball Team, Boleros, Airport United, CAS, Inflights, Mechanicals, Sky Team, Praetors, and QR Towers. This is the final game for today po is Cable Line and QR Towers. Okay, wala pa rin pong puntos po ngayon. QR Towers, lumalaban ang QR Towers. God bless po, yun po kayo. Good job on Airport United on winning against the win over Sky Team. Maraming salamat. And of course, si Di Guzman. Bukas.
Shout out Ulibes. Saka Alain Lim, Robust Tigacian Player of the Season, Alain Lim Kauko.
Kaya si Lim Kauko pala yan. Matalainin naman naka-register sa Facebook.
Sir Alain, mainit yan. Shooter yan.
Shooter yan. Pag ano.
Ingat boss.
Ingat boss, agad. Sige. Oy, wala. Ingat po, Boss Molina. And company po. Thank you very much po. Okay, 853-3-0 laman po ang Towers. Di Guzman. Pops up, running shot, no good. And saan ang bola? Wala, di alam. Ay, si David. Bilang ang bola ng QR Towers na ba? Badjo. And si Velasco. Jain. Pops up. Bang! 2 points, Jain. Jain, the stalwart of Alforno basketball team under the leadership of Coach Bakay. And Loyola, number 5. Wala. Binatong bola kagad. Ayan na po tayo. De Guzman, hustle play kagad. Velasco, the director. Nope. Nawalang basa. Ayan na naman kay Real. De Guzman. Bang si Ding. Bang. Okay, mapag-ano muna tayo ng tsa muna. Habang itong maraming salamat po sa patsa ngayon sa gabing ito. Thank you very much po. Karak tayo dyan. 7:31 remaining. The score is 5-2 po rin po ang score po natin. Binababa ang bola. Team Mr. Di Guzman, number 30. Barrientos against Velasco. Loyola, pinasa kay Di Guzman. Nandyan si number 33, Abdala. Foul called. Pok. Tok. Wala. Same ball. Cabinet ball at 6:31 remaining. Nangyari ito. No good. Tap out. Mali. Wrong tap ni Jain. 6 minutes remaining. Nawawalang mata. Loyola. Abdala. White ball, says the referee. Jain for the inbound. Badjola. Nope. Loyola ang rebound. Di Guzman. Dinukot sa ilalim. Nice one by Abdala. Adala, 2 points. Jain, muntik pa. Jain, driving strong. Jain! Bang! 2 points, Jain. Di Guzman, number 30. Nope, ayaw. Di Guzman, pops up. Wala. Okay, white ball tayo, white ball. Kala ko di mag... Okay, change 5 na po tayo, change 5. Change 5, of course, si Adrian So and Company. I think konti yata sila ngayon. Marami po yung cabin line. Yata. Okay. Si Adrian So So with Jain, with Velasco. Saan po natin po dyan? Si Mr. Mateo and si number 37. Adrian So, power move. Adrian So, no good. Adrian So muli. Nako, nawala. Federal referee, okay, white ball muli po tayo. White ball tayo, white ball. Adrian So. Number 37. Velasco. Sir Mateo, driving strong. Foul. Tok. Mateo, number 72. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, jumper ready for Mr. Mateo. Air ball. Cabin line now, driving strong. Si Bantabaro, nandiyan na rin. Muntik pa. Manlangit, number 14. Nope. Bateon, securing the ball. Kay Velasco ka ng bola. Velasco, binabang bola. Velasco, 2 points. The director, 2 points. Velasco 2 points. Scores 9-4 at 3:19 remaining. Pagkatapos na yun, 10 o'clock, 10:30. Pinalo, bops up. No good. Jain, no. Ramdavaro, in and out. Binabang bola. Ito ba rin tayo? Yan, 37. Mateo. So, sa ilalim, swipe. No good. Kahayo, no good. Ito na si Jain. Driving. Jain. Now it's Adrian So. Foul called. Number 5 on Navarro called for a foul. A blocking foul called on Navarro. At 9-4 remaining. Now Mr. So. Pops up. Wala. Second shot on So. Jumpers ready po tayo. Adrian So, second shot. Jumper ready on the Adrian So. Pops up. Wala pareho. 2:24 remaining. Tumama daw, sabi ng referee. White ball. White ball sabi, white ball. Okay, Pure Towers ball po tayo, Pure Towers ball. Okay, Mr. Jain. Hibla. Hibla. Mateo, driving show. Foul na naman. Kahayong called for foul, number 18. 2:03 remaining. Angelo, pops up, 37. Wala. Nando si Navarro, kick pass, nando si Jain nga lang. Jain! 2 points, Jain. Jain, 2 points. Jain. Nice one by Velasco. Velasco, 2 points na naman. Velasco, 2 points. At minute and 28 remaining. First quarter action, patapos na. Kahayon. Hoy! Technical foul. Saan? Saan bola? Okay, technical foul on cabin line bench. Bench decorum. Tama? Okay, tama to. Cabin line bench on bench decorum. Ay. Mali pala, sorry. Technical foul on. Technical foul on QR Towers pala. Sorry. QR Towers pala, sorry, QR Towers on table. So, nagreklamo. Sorry. Mali yung comment ko. Pakiburo lang po. Okay, ito na. Okay, QR Towers, pops up, Adrianso, wala. Mateo, sa ilalim. Pinasa na palabas. Adrianso naman. Wala pa rin. Kahayon. Wala. Oren. Sese. In and out. Pasok. Nice shot by Sese. 36. Lamang po na 17 ang QR Towers over cabin line. Velasco. Jain. Pops up na naman. Jain. Pasok. Walang mintes. Jain 2 points. 40 seconds remaining. Navarro, bank shot made by Navarro. 15-8, pito po kalamangan. 37 against Sese. Adrianso to Jain, Adrianso again. Adrianso, no good, no foul. Sese, 17. Out of time. First quarter ended, the score is 15-8. Laman po ng 7 ang QR Towers over cabin line. Okay, standby po tayo sa second quarter action. Ito po ang ating final game for today. Pero bukas po, maganda po ang ating palaro po bukas. First game po is Oryx versus Boleros. Saan po natin po dyan ang Implights versus CAS. Ayan. Of course, this game is also brought to you by SPB Ara to keeping the game in its and orderly fashion. Of course, nandyan po ang mag-iimban po ang QR Towers. White ball. White ball po tayo, white ball. Okay, si Badjo, number 1 for the inbound. Bilisan mo, boy. Okay, Mateo. Ayan na, Adrian Sogen. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by the Cabin Boys. De Guzman. For 3. Kapos. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa Towers po ang bola. QR Towers again po for the inbound. Now again to Badjola from number 43. Ito yung Thailander eh. Thailander. Okay. Nice pass. Ayan kay Talan. No good. Hindi na mababola ngayon. Ito na. Adala. Kick pass. Pops up. No good. Rebound Adrian So. Adrian So. Bothered. Ayan na kay Badjola. Kay Badjola. Pinasa kay Talan. Kay Mateo. Mateo. In and out. May nababa ang bola ngayon. Di Guzman. Kick pass. Nice one. Mateo. Awkward shot. Talan. Palpal ni Real. Good ball. Real, secure the ball. Adala, number 23. Adala, pasok. And one play pa, Biligay. Adala, 2 points. Also, foul counted. Bonus free throw for Adala. Adala, bonus free throw po tayo. Ayan na naman, swipe away! Foul! Anspo foul, sorry. Anspo foul. 45, call for the Anspo. Mukha yatang tinabubuhay na po ang cabin line or cabin crew boys. 6:35 remaining. Paano ako? Walang kakatulong dito. Okay, first shot, good. Dalawa po kasi yan. Dahil na, share mo na ta.
Bola.
Sensya na po, walang taga-swivel. Okay. Well, the score is 15-18. Lamang na po ang cabin line. At 6:01 remaining. Second shot. Jumper ready po tayo. Adrian So. Adrian So. Jumpers ready. Nope. And but Jordan rebound. Secure the lever. And pops up, 45. No good. Rebound, number 5. And De Guzman na naman. De Guzman. Kick pass kay Adala. Adala, wala. Rebound. Adrian So naka-rebound. Kick pass kay Badjo. Badjola, uy! Up. Offensive foul on Badjo. Okay, change step po tayo. Badjola call for offensive foul. 5:16 remaining, second quarter action. Halfway na po tayo. Okay, balik po ulit tayo. Ito na. Okay, si Dan San Miguel is watching. Dan, wala ka kanina. Bye, congratulations sa inyo. Nanalo ang hub. By default, over freighters. Manlangit. Wala. Ayun. Jain. Traveling yun, sabi ng referee. At ganun, wala. Traveling, John Jain. Cabin line. On the attack na naman. 3:50 remaining. Oren. Kahayon for 3. Nope. Tuloy po tayo. Your Towers, number 5. Velasco. Jain. Pops up 45. Pat. Nope. Oh, sabi natin yun. Good ball. Sese. 3-second violation ng Oren. Balik tayo ngayon. Okay, number 37 rather. 37, binababa ang bola. Nandun si Velasco, ang direktor. And now to 37. Nope, it's Pat. Nice, okay, Jain. Knocked in and out. Pops up, 2 points, 37. Put back. Tabla. Tablados tayo. 2:34 remaining. Oren, number 25. Oren, Manlangit. Number 14, Manlangit. Pops up, 17. Sese, wala. Rebound. 37 na naman. Take pass kay Jain. Swipe away. Same ball. Jain, swipe away the ball. Same ball po tayo. 2:05 remaining. Second quarter action. Pops up. Ha? Offline. Ano ba? Offline. Oy! Good ball! Ayan naman, Velasco, the director. 37, Jain! Wala. And Oren, Kahayon, wala. Rebound, 37, nandun si Talan to Velasco na naman ang director, swipe out the way. Blocking foul call on Kahayon. Timeout on cabin line. The score is 18-all at 1:12 remaining. 1:12 remaining. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Back to the ball game. .1:12 remaining. Second quarter action. Velasco for 3. Nope. Talan, naka-rebound sana. Hindi, natin si Navarro. Sese. Kahayon, Sese. 25. Oren. Pops up. Bang! Number 14, 3 points. That's Manlangit. Uy! Foul. Matibay. Okay, foul on Sese. Jain, number 7 for the inbound. The stalwart of Alforno Company. Alforno. Italian Masters yun. Jain for 3. Malakas. Talan. Malakas din. Pero pumasok. Talan, 2 points. 29 seconds. Manlangit. 20 seconds remaining. Pops up. Bangs it in. Back-to-back field goals by Manlangit. Velasco. Jain. No good. Tumulak ka, boy. Tinulak mo. Kita ka namin. Pushing foul call to number 27. Manlangit. Pops up, Kahayon. Kapos. Okay, halftime po tayo. The score is 20-24. Lamang po ang cabin line. Ano muna tayo? Dito naman tayo. Okay, second half po. Start po tayo. Second half po tayo. Second half po tayo. The score right now is 20-26. 2 points awarded also dahil sa cabin line. Dahil sila po mas marami over Pure Towers. And of course, back-to-back field goals po ni Manlangit, ha. Yun ang nagbigay sa kanila ng magandang kalamangan. Si Manlangit. Yan. Okay, white ball daw po. White ball. White offense. Cabin line. Oh, down. Marooners. Marooners defense. Marooners. Parang UP, oh. UP yung ano nila. UP yung motif nila. Okay, Jain for the inbound. And to Pure Towers. Pure Towers. Binaba ang bola. Pure Towers. Nasa ka na, boy. Wala. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Real. Real naka-rebound. And to De Guzman. De Guzman. Kick pass kay Adala. Adala against Velasco. Adala. Nandun si Sese. Loyola for 3. Banks it in. Napindot ka naman. Pops up. Nope. Uy! Good ball. Velasco. Velasco! And one play kay Velasco. Basket made. 23-29, a 6-point advantage still enjoyed by Cable Line over QR Towers. Side dito. Balik po tayo, pops up again, wala. Rebound, Jain. Nando sa Adala, Adala, pinasa kay Real, palpal, pero may foul. Palpal, pero may foul. Real, number 10, shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot ba Real? Jumper ready po tayo. Second shot by Real. Jumper ready. Pasok. Pasok. Binababa ang bola. Ito na. Si Ian. Velasco Jolens. Velasco Jolens. And naman, Adala. Malakas ang Pectus. Jain naman, Jain. In and out. Pasok. Tatlo na lang po kalamangan kagad at 8:03 remaining. Binababa ang bola kagad. Tao ito. Pops up, ayaw. De Guzman. Nope. Rebound. And now, ito po tayo nyo. Ito na. Wala. Swipe away. Adala. Wala. Rebound, Jain. Nagmamalis Jain. Go! Sabi! In! Pasok! 29-30, back-to-back field goal si Jain. And swiped away by Pact. Swiped away by the QR Towers. Okay, sabi ni Mr. De Guzman, dahan-dahan lang daw tayo. Lamang daw tayo, sabi niya. Okay, De Guzman, number 30. De Guzman, nagmamando ngayon, De Guzman. Pinasok, number 5, pops up, ayaw. Dumrive, may foul. Foul, 11. Balik, so. Bayan. Nag-error na ako. Foul on Adrian So. Okay, 3D, Nur Canton is watching. Good luck po bukas. May laro po kayo. Against in-flights. And binato po, Adala for 3. No good. Rebound, De Guzman. Siya naman titira ba? Ayaw tumira. And Adala na naman. De Guzman against Jain. Dado kumakat. Pops up. Nope. It's Adala driving, slicing, dashing. Nando si Real. Nando si Jain. Pat. Nandyan si Mr. Velasco. Foul. Ouch. Foul na. Labangga pa. Check. Paki-check lang po. Adala. Ayos lang. Okay, good. Cool. Paki-check lang po. Pwede go? Paki-check lang muna siya. Okay. Sub muna. Adala. Okay, go. Back to the ball game. Pat. Velasco. 29-30. Si Adrian So, power move. Nope. Adrian So naman. Barrel through. Nope. Nawala. Nawala ang bola kay Adrian So. And De Guzman to Abdala. Palpal. Same ball. Number 14. Pass pa, pinasa. Pops up for 3. Nope. Jain. Back. Called for the foul. Foul called. Okay, number 5 called for the foul. That's Loyola. Loyola number 5. Pops up, Pat. Wala. Oh, sabi, Jane telling the people to come down already. 29-30. Velasco. Velasco, sinasabi, Velasco, bantay mo daw siya. Ito naman po tayo nga, ayan, Abdullah. Abdala for 3. Na yung mag-isa, in line. No good. Rebound, battle won by Velasco. Velasco si Pat. Pat, binababa ang bola. Pat. Number 1. Adrian So, naipit. Held ball situation. Okay, 29-30. The score is 29-30 pa rin po tayo. Napako tayo sa gitong score. Matindi bantayan po kasi nangyari po sa both teams. 14, pops up. Nope. Rebound, Jain. Velasco, number 6. Naipit, Adrian So, barrel through, foul. Oh, traveling violation called. Sayang. Traveling violation, Adrian So. Nope. Velasco, Jain, 2 points. Talan, 2 points. 2:51 remaining. 31-30, change favor po tayo. Now, Pure Tower sa Mamil ang lamang yun. Manlangit. Nope. Wala yung Tanggol pala. Wala si Tanggol. Tanggol ang tagapagtanggol, tsaka si David. Kabalang ko, sa almost depleted din yung short hours pala. Okay, Abdala. Kick pass, De Guzman. Pasok, sana. Hindi. Eto na po siya, si Jain. Nagmamadali. Jain. Swipe away. De Guzman naman. Manlangit. De Guzman. Ayun, Abdala. 40 shot, in and out, nope. Loyola against Sese. De Guzman. Mateo. De Guzman. Bank shot made. De Guzman na naman. Foul. Okay, sab muna po tayo. Adrian So, labas muna. Para kay Sir Mateo. Of course, si Bad Jordan papasok muna para kay number 37. 1:40 remaining. Fourth quarter coming up. Pops up. Foul! Tumama. Tatlo yan. First shot, nope. Talan. Jain. 31 all po tayo. Velasco. Ayun, 37. Out. Abdallah. No good. Rebound again by the white shirts. Nandun si De Guzman. Nice swipe by De Guzman. 53 seconds remaining. Matatapos na po ang third quarter action po natin. John Pangaliban is watching. Third unit control also is watching. Velasco, Jain, Talan for 2. Nope. Rebound pa. Huli si Velasco. Huli, boss. Huli. Huli si Director. Huli si Director Velasco. Okay. No good. Back to the ball game. Okay, that's it po tayo. Okay, ito po Oh, dito magamit tayo isang camera po natin. Ito na. This is your Aviation Friend Doubles of Flying League. We'd like to first thank the following sponsors, The Needles and Team LBC Hanang Padra. Sa po natin po dyan, SBB Ara and PSB Basketball League. Ito po ang ating mga participant teams sa ating second season number 5. Ito po ang eliminations. The third game has been played now by Cabin Line and Shore Towers. At tabla po tayo at 31 all. Bukas po tayo, inayon po sa ating Saturday edition. Nandiyan po ang Oryx and Boleros. Sama po natin po dyan ang In-Flights and CAS. Ayan na. White. Jain. Angelo sliding, popping. No good. Rebound by the red shirts. Marooners naka-rebound. De Guzman. Abdallah. Barrientos. De Guzman. Nope. It's Kahayon. Kapos. Nandun si Jain. Good ball. No foul. Abdallah. Nice one. No good. Yung pectus hindi pumasok. De Guzman. Ayun na, pumasok and one play pa binigay. And one play made by Kahayon. Kahayon, 2 points. Okay, Angelo, good game kay Angelo. Pasok muli si Badjola. Si Badjo. 31-33. Kahayon, number 18. Kahayon, number 18. Pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Kahayon. Binababa ang bola ngayon ni Mr. Jain. Pops up Jain. No good. Naubos na. Held ball situation. Okay, sabi ba ng committee po is red ball. Red ball. Real. Adala. Laman po ng 3. Pasok ang bola kay De Guzman. 8:24 remaining. Mababa pa yan. 5. Laman ng 5. 31-36. Jain for 3. Ayaw. Foul called. Velasco, first shot. Pasok. Velasco, second throw. Jumper's ready. Okay. Cabin line. Abdallah. Kahayon. De Guzman. Wala. Rebound, Badjola. Badjola. Relaxin daw, sabi niya. Relaxin daw. 6:47 remaining. Apat ang alamangan. And Adrian So. Badjola. Badjola. Pinilit. Ayaw. Adrian So. Labas muna raw. Jain for 3. Nope. Rebound, Real. Badjola, De Guzman, Adrian So. Ayan na, Kahayon. Against Jain, default shot, no good. Rebound by Pat. Jain naman, Jain. Jain siya mag-isa, Jain! Ayaw. Labas muna raw. Pat. Traveling violation called. Bawal na po yun, sir. That's forbidden already. Like this. Traveling cold already yun. Okay, balik muli po tayo now. It's Abdallah. Firing now the famous Jordans na halo-halo po. Combination po yan. Jordan 11, then Jordan 13. Ayan na po tayo. Nandong kagad. Abdallah. Pops up, Mr. Ayun! Kay De Guzman ang bola. De Guzman, 2 points. 32-38. Alam po na ng 6 na naman. Velasco. Velasco. Pat. Nandun. Somebody's there waiting. And Abdallah. Drop pass. De Guzman. Pasok. And timeout called na by White. Ito sinabi may mga peking doon. Velasco, number 6. Velasco, number 6. Adrian So, barrel through. Hoop shot, wala pa rin. Nando si Pat. Adrian So. And one play kay So. $34-40. Adrian So, timely po yan. Kinakailangan pa ibuslo yan to keep them at play. Tekia. Bibimlo. Pops up Adrian So. Wala. Abdallah, 4:30 remaining. Kahayon, tapos, Real, wala, rebound, Jain. Jain na naman, Jain. Malakas. Jain shooting for 2. Sino ba to? Sorry pala to. James, shot made. Bumili siya ng kariton. Kaya pa, sige, tara. 4:13 remaining. 55 ang cabin line. De Guzman, driving strong. Pinasa palabas. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Jain na naman. Mag-isa. Badjo. 2 points Badjo. Aga-aga pa. Si Iris. Adala. Number 5. Loyola. De Guzman. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound again by Velasco. Velasco, the director. Velasco swiped away. Jain. Nope. Ayun na naman sila. Adala, pass. Nando si Badjo. Jain naman, Jain. Jolens kay Jain. Timeout called. Lamang na muli pala isa na naman ang cabin line from 7 points. Oh. Bakit magre-resign? Bakit naman? Bakit naman? Adala. Loyola. Adala taking matters on his own hands. No good. Rebound. Ayun. Nice rebound by Navarro. Loyola naman. Wala. No foul. Baba. Jain. Sayang. Nice try by Jain. Shooting for 2. You okay? He can't do his job. Resigns. Jain. Basket make by Jain. Second shot, no, tabla po tayo sa 40. 26 called for a foul, Adrian So. 2:23 remaining. Tablado siya sa 40. Napumuli tayo. Adala. Nope. Rebound by the white shirts. Pat. Jain na naman. Nagmamadalas Jain. The Indian Express. The Bomb Express. Jain. Napigilan. Pat. Bang! Uh-oh. Nangyari. Nag-went dark tayo. Biso. Wala! Jain mag-isa! Jain! Wala! Ayun! Pumundan si Bill. And timeout called! Di pa po tayo sa kabila ah. Teka lang. Bahalang Joe talaga. Pwede paano? Pangat lang po. Pangat na. Sana lang. Di ba 45 sa akin? Ay, sorry. Kinapos ako ng power. Baka malaglag.
Sige pa muna.
Hey! Ay, dito na po siya. Dati ginagawa mo yun.
Tulong mo konti. Yan.
Yan. Okay, Trav. 1 minute 26 remaining. 40-40 pa po tayo. Ito po tayo. De Guzman, naipit. Recovered by Navarro. Nandito si Adala. Adala, driving strong. No. It's Loyola. Ayun si Edilson. Securing the ball. And naman siya, si Mr. Jain. Foul called.
Both teams penalty.
Penalty situation, both teams.
Hindi ko makita talaga, pre. Makita eh.
Both teams penalty situation. Jain shooting for 2. First shot made, it's good. The score is 40-45 at 1:01 remaining po sa ating fourth and final quarter. Second shot by Jain. Second shot, it's in. And substitution naman langit number 14. Para kanino? Okay, para kay Navarro. Nagpasok ng Birador ang cabin line.
1 minute.
A minute remaining. And Loyola, number 5 Loyola, thinking for 3. Nope. Jain securing the ball again. Velasco.
50 seconds.
Naipit. Still completed. Nando si Manlangit for 3. De Guzman, naipit. Uy! Ano yun?
30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining. Pat. Velasco, the director.
10 shot clock.
Adrenso. Tapos.
Bakit pag may ilang team ang baba ng score? 46-40.
Taas na rin yun.
Ayaw nyo kasi mag-shoot eh.
De Guzman. No good.
Ingat na lang.
Okay, safety basket. And that's it. Final score 40-46. Winner by 6 points. Of course, ano po natin yan? QR Towers. Thank you very much po. Ngayon po, bukas po tayo po. May bukas po nalaro po natin po. That will be first game po natin, Oryx versus Boleros. And second game po natin po will be between Cash versus In Flights. Maraming salamat po. God bless you all. Thank you very much.